In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on eBay. If you're a seller on eBay, knowing how to send an invoice is a fundamental part of ensuring smooth transactions with your buyers. Whether it's dealing with shipping costs, applying discounts, or ensuring the buyer has all the necessary information, sending an invoice can enhance your professionalism and facilitate quicker payments. First things first, let's log into your eBay account. You'll need to head over to ebay.com and sign into your account using your seller credentials. It's essential to make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right of the screen where you'll see My eBay. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Selling. This is your hub for managing all your listings. Within the Selling section, you need to find and click on Sold. Here, you'll have a list of all the items you've successfully sold, and this is where you'll begin the process of sending your invoice. With your list of sold items in front of you, find the specific item for which you need to send the invoice. It's crucial to double-check details like the buyer's username and the item description to prevent any mix-ups. Once you have the correct item, look for the More Actions link or drop-down menu next to that item. Here you will find the option that says Send Invoice. Clicking on this will grant you control over the details included in the invoice. Now at this stage, you have the opportunity to customize the invoice to meet the specific transaction requirements. You might want to update shipping costs if there were changes or new information, or you might decide to apply a discount, perhaps a gesture of goodwill or from a prior agreement with the buyer. Additionally, this is where you can add a personal note to your buyer. Including a note can be a nice touch, adding a personal dimension to the transaction and sometimes reassuring the buyer or thanking them for their purchase. Once you've ensured all the details are as they should be and everything reflects what you and the buyer agreed upon, you can proceed to send the invoice. To do this, simply click on the Send Invoice button. It's a straightforward action that tells the buyer you're ready to complete the sale and you're one step closer to getting paid. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to send an invoice on eBay. By following these steps, you can manage your sales more effectively and ensure your buyers receive all necessary information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you handle your transactions smoothly.